Hazrat Abdullah bin Abi Awfa radiyallahu anhu says, during a journey we were accompanying Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When the sun had set, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked a man to dismount and soak the parched barley flour for him. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, let the evening fall. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked him a second time to dismount and soak him parched barley flour. He thereupon again submitted, let it be the evening. It is still day. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked him for a third time to dismount and soak him the parched barley flour. He whereupon dismounted and soaked the parched barley flour at his third behest. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thus drank, and then pointing towards the east with his hand said, when you observe that the night is advancing from this side, let the fasting person break his fast. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5297.